Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are continuing our tour of the buildings that are under construction in the city of Kingston. This is the residences at Terra, and it's going to be a high-rise building. I'm going to tell you how many stories. 14 stories. But they haven't gone very far. As you can see, it's probably 2 stories so far. So they have a long way to go. Sorry about this angle, but the building isn't very tall, so we don't really have a good vantage point to make the video. We're going to give you a look from different sides, but the building isn't very far along. We have drone footage, so you can check out that video of this building. So that tall building behind it is 20 South. That's another apartment building. Then you have Genesis 28, and then you have the Rogers. So the residences at Terra now was in the news the other day because when this project started, it was supposed to be apartments, and persons had paid their deposits to buy the apartments. And then the Terra people changed the plan and said they were going to use all the apartments in the building for the hotel because Terra is a hotel. So they refunded all the persons their deposit, and this building now is no longer going to be residential. It's going to be a part of the hotel. So it will be hotel rooms. We're going to see if we can get another angle, but we're going to make videos of all the buildings under construction in the city of Kingston this week, and then next week we're going to do Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. We're basically going to bring you all the construction that we can find, so you guys can see exactly what's going on. So you can stay tuned for that. There's actually a crane up here. And there are so many buildings under construction in Kingston. I didn't know they had so many of these cranes in Jamaica. And they're high-rise buildings because the law was changed recently that allowed buildings to go up on, I guess you could say, smaller pieces of land. So that's why you find that all these high-rise buildings are going up. Look over there, that's 20 South behind it. All these high-rise buildings are literally being built on small lots. They're safe and everything, it's just that the law changed. So to give you an example, the Pegasus Hotel was built in the 1970s, and that's 17 floors. That was the tallest building in Jamaica. It still is the tallest building in Jamaica. This building over here though, the one that's under construction to the right, is the Rogers, and that's going to be 20 floors. So that will be the tallest building in Jamaica. Beside it is Genesis 28, and beside Genesis 28 is another residential building. I think it's Parkland. I'm not 100% sure of the name, but it's finished. Genesis 28 is finished. It's also residential. This is the Terra residences of at Terra, and that's the Rogers over there. So a lot of construction is going on. Oh, and that's 20 South behind it, also residential. So literally everything you're looking at here has been built within the last couple of years. And before this, the tallest building was 17 floors before this one. And that was in the 1970s. So it's because the building code changed recently, why you see all these, I don't know if they consider them skyscrapers, but definitely 20 floors. Another one, the Ascent, 26 floors is coming. And then another one in Montego Bay, which is 27 floors, is coming. So the buildings are definitely getting taller and taller. And I mean, people wouldn't be building them if people weren't buying them. And these apartments are not cheap. Alright, we're going to try and find another angle to get you a better view, but as we said, the residences at Terra, it's not, it looks like they're just on the second floor, working on the third floor now, and they're going up to 14 floors or 14 stories. So we'll definitely keep you guys updated on this project and all the other projects going on. And we are going to make drone videos of all of these buildings. What's slowing us down with the drone is the battery dies so quick. But we are getting more batteries, so as soon as we get that, then we can put up even more drone videos. I'm going to give you another angle without those street lights interfering. There you go.